Okay, dear student, we are studying about chapter number 16, electricity. Now, in this class, your topic is capacitor. What is capacitor? Capacitor, the device which stores the electric charge, is called capacitor. Capacitor means the storage of charge, storage of electricity. Now, how it is made up of? It is consisted of two conducting plates. Two conductor plates mean plates of two conductors placed parallel with a small distance. These two plates are placed parallel having little distance. Two leads are joined with each plate for connection. These are two wires. Wires are leads. One lead with one plate and other lead with other plate for the external connection and potential difference, voltage. Now, capacitance. First of all, capacitance is the capacity of the capacitor, that how much charge it will store. The ability of capacitor to store the quantity of charge is called capacitor. Is called capacitance, and this capacitance is denoted by C and mathematically written as C is equal to Q upon V, where C is capacitance, the ability of the capacitor. Charge is stored in between these two plates, and in between these two plates there is an insulator in which charge is stored. So Q is charge and V is potential difference. Now the unit of capacitance in SI system, unit of capacitance is farad, denoted by F capital. Now what is farad? The quantity of charge when one coulomb charge is stored by applying the potential difference of 1 volt. It is known as 1 farad. So farad is the unit of capacitance when there is 1 coulomb charge stored and potential difference of 1 volt is applied to the capacitor. That quantity of charge stored in the capacitor is called 1 farad, and the multiple units of farad is 1 microfarad, which is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 farad. Other unit which is used in our daily life, that is 1 picofarad, mean 10 raised to power minus 12 farad. Now what is dielectric? The insulator used between the plates of the capacitor is called dielectric. It classifies the types of the capacitor, such as if in between the plates there is nothing except air. If there is air, then air is as a dielectric. That capacitor is called air capacitor. We are also using mica in these two conducting plates. Mica, when mica is dielectric, that capacitor is called mica capacitor. We are also using carbon between these two plates. That capacitor in which carbon as a dielectric is called carbon capacitor. We can also use paper in this place between the two plates. That capacitor is called paper capacitor, and paper is a dielectric. Now factor affecting the capacitance. Number 1, nature of the dielectric. Capacitance depends upon the nature of the dielectric, that which type of dielectric you are using and how much charge it can store. So nature of the dielectric. Area of the plates. If we increase the area of the plates of the capacitor, capacitance is increased. Therefore, capacitance depends upon the area of the plates. Now, length of the plates. When we increase the length of the plates, capacitance of the capacitor is also increased, mean it stores much charge. Therefore, capacitance depends upon the length of the plates. Then the distance between the plates. Capacitance also depends upon the distance between the plates. Now, other topic is resistor. Resistor is an electrical component used in electrical and electronic devices. The electrical device which opposes the flow of current is called resistor. Resistor means it opposes the flow of current, means it reduces the current, it holds the current. Now, what is resistance? The ability of the resistor to offer the quantity of opposition to the flow of charge is called resistance. Resistance is the property of resistor, that how much opposition it offers for the flow of current. It is denoted by R capital and mathematically written as R is equal to V upon I, where V is potential difference and I is current. Now its unit in SI system, unit of resistance is ohm, which is denoted by a Latin letter omega. This is the symbol of omega. So the number which shows the resistance, we will put omega with it and can be defined as this ohm, the unit of resistance, is also defined as the quantity of opposition when potential difference is 1 volt and current is 1 ampere. The resistance is called 1 ohm. 1 ohm means current 1 ampere and potential difference 1 volt. That opposition is called 1 ohm. It is written as 1 then ohm. Okay, thank you.